off the wash right here.
Okay.
Oh God, you don't want to get freaking pelted. You don't want to get gas here.
I got no choice.
Oh my God, look at what
Honey,
you're gonna be in.
I'll survive.
Why I have no choice?
Because this is where the gas is.
No. Well, I don't want this in here.
Okay, so this is the wind guy.
I hope you do towards the tree.
Yeah, this is the wind, and it's really very windy here, and it's there's
Sand is pelting the car.
the sand is pelting the car, and and this is Windstorm. It's so windy out here, and it's one of the greatest things for you to live out here. So, and that's the way it is. And goodbye for now.